Railroad repair work will cause a temporary road closure this weekend in downtown Gaston. Officials with the city of Gaston and the Alabama-Tennessee River Railway have announced the closure of the 500 block of Locust Street in downtown Gaston so that repair work can be done on the railroad tracks that run down the middle of the street. Contractors will be repairing and replacing the rubber panels that are part of the railway path. The road will close at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning and remain closed until 4 p.m. on Monday. Drivers should be aware of the closure and avoid the area this weekend.